Here I was, alone in Las Vegas. We'd gone in search of the American dream. A waste of time. All these horrible realities began to dawn on me. There was no point in looking back. A man on the move, and just sick enough to be totally confident.
You can't act. I know I think you do it. You better learn to shake hands and treat me like your mother. Don't act like you can't act. Stand up like a man. You better learn to shake hands and treat me like your mother. You came on too late. You came on too late now. You came on too late to do a thing. Come on, look me in the eye. You wanna try to tell a lie, but you can't, you know why? I'm just like your mother. Look me in the eye now. You wanna try to tell a lie, you can't, you know why? I'm just like your mother. You came on too late. You came on too late now. You came on too late. Play dumb, play dead, play straight.
Who's got it figured out?
Play dumb, play dead, play straight.
Who's got it figured out? Play straight. Time to manipulate.
Bit of a suspension issue in the back. We almost went end over end. That was scary.
All that you do, all that you say, ticking time bomb is ticking away. You can't stay home or go away. Ticking time bomb is ticking away. I hear it. Bomb. I hear it. Always the rich, never the poor. Don't take the bait now, hold out for more. And when you wake on your dying day, ticking time bomb still ticking away. I hear it. Bomb. 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 I hear it.
And this is our first race with the new truck. We got a lot of little tweaking we need to do still with suspension. I got an issue with my seat. We did not finish today. We could have gotten around, but we wouldn't have been racing.